So I start out the day using the SP minnow in order to catch pike. And on like the 5th cast, I get it snagged up. And I tried trusting my knot tying, but so I switch over to something too small for the rod, and I try my hand at salmon fish. And then I end up snagging the fish. So then we take a couple videos of the fish for research purposes. After that research, we give it another cast, and that's when the craziness unfolds.
Oh, I got another fish. Oh, it's another carp.